Hello, my name is Binay Nayak. I'm a Ph.D. candidate in Chemical Engineering Department at Iowa State University. This year, I got the MRS Graduate Student Silver Award in spring 2026. The research that earned me this MRS award is my work on the self-assembly of charge-grafted polymer-grafted gold nanoparticles into open-order superlattices. In this work, what we did, we took gold nanoparticles of different sizes, grafted them with polyethylene glycol bearing opposite charges, then self-assembled them into multiple open structures. The key part of this work was published in Nature Communication as a valence-free open nanoparticle superlattice. So what we did exactly in this work, we studied the electrostatic interaction between two oppositely charged nanoparticles to create crystal structure that can mimic ionic-like superlattices. A large part of this work is dedicated towards creating open lattices because in traditional methods, creating open lattices often requires DNA origami or certain structure that has valence. But in this work, we don't need exactly a valence, and without valence, we can create all type of nanoparticle structures. These open structures are particularly important for photonic and optical applications, such as one of the such example is diamond-like structure that can be created as a photonic bandgap structure. So with this work, we give a new approach, a completely new approach to create valence-free open nanoparticle superlattices. So after 10 years or post 10 years, I see this field moving towards a more programmable or scalable assembly of nanostructures for real optics and photonic application. I believe we'll have better control over nanoparticle interaction, better structural characterization, and stronger use of data-driven analysis to design functional materials. 10 years from now, I hope to build my career in research focused on nanomaterials, self-assembly, and optical materials. I would like to set up my own lab. I would like to lead projects that combine material synthesis, advanced characterization, and fundamental understanding to create new functional materials. I would love to stay connected with MRS by presenting my work and attending different MRS meetings and being a part of this large material research society community in future. Thank you for your time.